Hello everyone, and now we are going to Shangri-La Boracay. But wait, this is not just a resort. It's actually a multi-awarded tropical paradise. It has received the prestigious Forbes Travel Guide 5-star rating, ranking it among the best luxury resorts in the world. Recognized by the Condé Nast Traveler and TripAdvisor Traveler's Choice Awards. This resort guarantees a world-class experience with unmatched hospitality and breathtaking scenery. From the moment we land, Shangri-La's exclusive airport transfer takes care of everything. A private speedboat ride welcomes us to paradise, setting the tone for an effortless and luxurious getaway. No long lines, no hustle, just smooth sailing into an unforgettable stay. And now we are stepping into an elegant open-air lobby. We're instantly greeted with refreshing welcome drinks. The tropical ambience, high ceilings, and stunning ocean views create the perfect first impression. Now, let's head to our room. As we walk through Shangri-La's beautifully designed hallways and pathways, you can already feel the peaceful and tropical vibes. Look! The path is lined with lush greenery, elegant wooden accent, and soft ambient lighting, making every step feel like a journey to paradise. And here we are, our home for the next few days. As we enter, we are welcomed by a spacious, well-lit room with warm, elegant interiors. The interiors blend modern elegance with Filipino charm. The bed, super big as in, and super soft and inviting. It's really perfect for unwinding after a long day at the beach. This room is pure island luxury, featuring private balcony with jaw-dropping views of the sea or lush gardens, where we can enjoy a cup of coffee in the morning or just admire the stunning views. Plus, the room comes with a fully stocked minibar, coffee and tea station, work desk, and plenty of storage spaces. Now let's check out the bathroom. It's modern, spacious, and feels like a spa-like retreat. We have a large rain shower, a deep soaking tub, and a high-end toiletries. There's also a bathrobe and cozy sleepers. Everything here is really designed for comfort, and honestly, we might never want to leave. Aww. Imagine this, waking up in paradise. You step out, breathe in the fresh ocean air, and head straight to an epic breakfast spread. Sounds like a dream, right? Let's make it a reality. Step inside Ventana Cafe, where the spread is nothing short of amazing. We're talking about freshly baked bread, tropical fruits, and all the classic Filipino favorites. Craving something healthy? They've got fresh salads, smoothies, and detox juices too. And for those who love variety, there's an international selection from sushi to dim sum, and even a live teppanyaki cooking station. For the little ones, there's a dedicated kid-friendly section. Think of mini pancakes, waffles, cereals, fresh fruits, and even a DIY hot chocolate station. Honestly, this isn't just a breakfast. It's a whole experience. Now let's move to the amenities. Let's go! Fortunately, we've got a glimpse of a private villa located on top hill area of the resort with stunning view of the ocean. This isn't just a room. It's a tropical sanctuary that has a private deck where a jacuzzi awaits. It has a mini kitchen, a mini bar, a coffee and tea station, plus a powder room. And now let's go back to the pool. Actually, it has two stunning pools. One is the main infinity pool with the breathtaking ocean views. And two is the free-form pool surrounded by tropical gardens with plenty of sun loungers, shaded cabanas, and a poolside bar. Now let's talk about the beach. Unlike other crowded Boracay beaches, Shangri-La boasts a 350-meter private beachfront. Here you can kayak, snorkel, or just lay under the sun in total peace. It really feels like you have the island all to yourself. Foodies, this one's for you. Get ready! Shangri-La Boracay has 4 world-class restaurants. Start your day with Ventana Asian Cafe that serves up a variety of international flavors, whether it's morning, noon, or night. Next is Sirena, the ultimate seafood experience, perched on a cliffside with a breathtaking ocean view. If you want a romantic dinner hidden among the lush hillside gardens, Rima is all about romance and Mediterranean treetop dining. Craving for a casual bite? Shallow has it covered. From wood-fired pizzas to juicy burgers and tropical cocktails, this is the perfect spot by the pool. Ready for a peaceful retreat? Let's go to 𝗥𝗘𝗲, the spa. The moment you arrive, you're greeted by a beautiful fish pond filled with colorful koi gliding through the water. And the best part, you can even feed them. It's such a relaxing way to start your journey to pure bliss. And before your treatment begins, you are served a warm cup of tea. A soothing blend designed to calm your senses and prepare you for the ultimate relaxation. The spa also features a private swimming pool and a jacuzzi, perfect for unwinding before or after your treatment. This resort is not just for couples, it's a wonderland for kids. There's a kids' adventure zone with fun activities from thrilling slides and climbing areas to hands-on games like billiards or Jenga for those who love a challenge. And for fitness lovers, the resort has a fully equipped gym. And now our Shangri-La Boracay experience comes to an end. Our stay at Shangri-La has been nothing short of magical. From award-winning service to breathtaking beaches, it's a true tropical paradise. Whether you're here for relaxation, adventure, or romance, one thing's for sure, this is Boracay at its finest. Thank you so much for watching. Follow us for more hotel room tour.